I think we need to finish the... This is my DIY. I'm going to be showing you on this big ornament. Then I'm going to add the Grinch face because the Grinch doesn't really have any like ornaments per se besides like the character ones. Roman shows them one of them. Decals from Amazon. You can probably get them on Etsy too right now. And so what you're going to do is you're going to peel it off carefully. And because this ball might be a little too small for this face, I have to kind of rip the smile up a little bit just so that it can fit, because I guess it's not taking into account of the roundness of the ball. So maybe you might need a bigger ball than 100 milliliters, but if you have this one, you can just cut a little bit of it and then just make the smile a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna put the eyes on first. You're gonna want to rub it on. I'm doing the eyes and eyebrows and nose first. So like right now it looks like that. I'm going to see if it's stuck. You want to peel it very slowly. You also don't want to rip the paint off of the ornament. I'm going to show you how to shorten the smile so it can fit on this one. But if you have bigger ornaments, you don't have to do this. So see how I am on the first part. And I'm going to slightly rip it and pull it off. Okay, so I ripped it and I'm going to just, so his smirk is going to be a little bit to the side now. Because it was going to be hitting his eyes if it didn't. You just want to line it up. His name's on it. And you can mind the thing. More ornaments, but a tree on a tree, how cute is that? Okay, so this is my little Party City haul. This is for the door. I didn't realize it was so big. I also got for the hot cocoa stand a banner kit to go on the wall. I don't know if you can see that. And so I want to put this together tomorrow. And then this also is going on the hot cocoa stand. Oh, you can't even see it. Duh. And then for our movie night, I have some plates. I already have some Grinch green plates. And I got some napkins. So, just want to show y'all my earrings. Fashion Nova. My little PJs. Pretty little thing. How cute are these? For the Christmas gifts for the teachers, we are going to create bracelets for his teacher, or for the little one's teacher. Karan, I'm pretty sure we're not doing that for your teacher, right? The teacher's a guy. And I got this from Joann's, and it was only $6. And I think you can make probably 3 or 4 bracelets out of it. Out of all the nails, she picked the business casual.
Have you started doing Vlogmas? Huh?
I've been recording, I haven't edited. So you don't see no other ones? We're in Ulta looking at press-on nails. That was kind of cute and fun.
No.
Bruh.
Don't.
Oh, that's just super good. Yeah. The girlies love it. Not her shopping.
How you open it?
What is it? I don't even know what that brand is. No, we didn't. No, I'm about to show you this one. Look. Look,
I'm walking like it was glitter on.
let me see. But it's cute. Hold on. I look like twins.
Y'all look.
Where's my hair?
This blush. I think that's what I want for Christmas.
Girl, you be asking for stuff, and it's 0 days until Christmas.
And then I want an eyebrow gel.
You got the tester?
No, what is tested? The front one?
There's that sweet orange. I can't believe you. Where her lips fall off, guys. Why did you just mess your shirt up like that?
I get ready with it. That's what, cause you know how you want me to do content for my thing?
Oh, you look so cute with the glitter.
You know how I was like, I want to do, like, you want me to do content for my TikTok?
I don't want you to do nothing. I want you to want to do it.
I do want to do it, but
Somebody is into makeup now and skincare. I'm getting old. We got the gingerbread house from Walmart. They were about $12. They're pre-built. If you want to, let's get in closer. They were pre-built. I feel like that's easier. We're not eating them, so for decorating purposes, I believe that this would be the easiest way to build with kids. Okay, so I have it set up. I thought I had more accessories, but at least the boxes do come with some. So like it comes with some candies up there, and I grabbed these. And these are just the dollar ones in the holiday section. And I just put these string lights. They were from the Dollar Tree. And so yeah, now we're going to just decorate. I'm just gonna help Roman, so that's why it's not 4 this time. Hey guys, y'all ready?
yes.
I'm so weak.
What?
Got the gummy bears, the dots, a couple of other extra pieces. There are also candy in the pre-built ginger house. You can add whatever kind of candies you want. I would suggest going to the candy aisle and getting the less than $2 items, because either they're going to eat them or they can just use them for decoration.
Roman.
Looks good for a little house. $11.98.
Oh, there we go. I can do it.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
You said it's chow now. Chow now. Chow now.
I want one of those.
I got it good.
Okay. What is it looking like?
I got it. Anyway. Mom, I'm about to beat your son up.
I didn't say nothing.
It's a little ugly, but okay. Yours look just like, it's like somebody throwing up Christmas. Blah.
That's snow. Why do you got a problem with snow?
Yeah.
At least I decorated mine.
Okay,
Candy
it looks
canes,
fine. Looks like you just ran
Actually,
into a blizzard.
it.
Okay, so we have finished our activity.
Yeah.
This one's is Roman's, Nala's. Oh, come on. Man, did you have fun? Did you have fun making your gingerbread? Okay, so I just realized that I do not have the stove burners. I just forgot about that. I'm going to attempt to see if I can maybe broil them in the oven. So I'm going to do a little bit of testing so we can do our s'mores. Okay. Okay. Want to try this? Smart. Alright, y'all didn't see that. Okay, we're gonna see what it does. We're gonna eyeball it. We got it on broil. How long do you think I should put it in there for? Probably like, let's watch. Look, you getting in the oven? You see the oven? You getting that pretty looking marshmallow? Okay, this is the results. Okay, we just need probably more chocolate. Let's see if the kids will like it. It's too sweet.
Yeah, why did they just put watermelon and put it under? Why is it chocolate?
What you think about it? No?
It doesn't need chocolate chips.
You just like it with the marshmallow? Well, try it on the other side with the marshmallow. Turn it around, yeah. Okay, what you thinking?
It's good.
It's good. You like it just with the marshmallow?
Yeah, that's the only one.
Yeah.